What do I feel when I say environment? What do I say when I feel the environment? What do I enviro when I meant the I feel? What do I hear when I see the when? What do I when I say the mento, the inventamento, the scent of anathema, the plasma, the seeming scream of gigantic dreaming pith, froth from top of tip, my skiff over bum, my sunburned halo, my runt of the litter, day glow, philo dough, my money, ho, and no, don't touch the precious, the sentient, the earthquake filibuster. It's all about but a guster buster, tons of scrap through dumped in a heap at town edge, our civility in a truck and driven around by mafiosos stabbing through the metal, my thug life, my rushed fuck up left in a parking lot, a bumper sticker remnant of the wild old west, soccer mom Socrates and robbing, the robber baron of Eastern 5 dynasties, plural vocabulary, no verbs left in the game, drive down the paint to the hoop of backboard, indecision 2010, which color to lean on. Oil over all of it, down, 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 up, oil, down, up, oil, up, oil, up, oil, up, oil, up, oil, down. There down, where it's private, my bodyscape, my private places, my oiled curve of the Gulf as female vertebra, the brassiere, the holding it all in with corset, the drilling into defective cement to plug it up, the government birth control, the state-run metaphor factory, the Pope ought to come up, don't you think? Stuff that hat in my anus, and what dark grit guts out from poking or forcing or fucking a drill bit into each orifice, make new holes in me, find my belly button, my eye socket, my sweat gland, force it all through my pores. I'm sobbing all. My gubernatorial bid is filled with shock.